Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this here really nice everyday ombre nail. This is also considered a baby boomer nail, I think, to most people. But if you guys want to see how I did this, please continue to watch. I will be using my Model 1's nail tips, and I will have everything linked below. To apply the nails, I'm also going to be using the solid nail gel glue, and this is a very thick consistency, so you have a little bit more time to work with the product before curing it in place. This also helps for those who are learning how much glue to use in advance. Again, my natural nails are already prepped and ready to go, so here you guys are just seeing me applying the extensions, and I try not to do too large of a bead when applying this. I'm mostly just scraping it at the very base of the nail. As you guys can see here, that's one nail applied. And again, these nail tips are pre-etched, so I didn't have to go in and etch them on the inside again. But I like to scrape the glue halfway down the nail to spread it out, and then I go back towards that cuticle, pressing the nail down and cleaning up around the cuticle before I cure everything into place for about 15 seconds. Sorry, I know this video probably started off pretty quick, but I wanted to ensure I showed you guys the steps of me applying the extensions multiple times so that you can truly see what it is that I'm doing here. And again, pressing that nail halfway down my nail and allowing that glue to spread across the extension, and then I go back towards that cuticle, and we're just flash curing the nails in place for 15 seconds. For the polish today, so we can achieve that baby boomer nail design or that beautiful ombre, I'm using this here nail set from Model 1's. What I like about this nail set is that it comes with the most beautiful natural pink as well as a really nice white. I did go ahead and buff my nails off camera, and I'm going to be going in with the Model 1's HEMA-free base coat. I like to apply a thin layer of this to all of the nails, and then I'll cure them for 60 seconds. After the base coat is cured, I'm then going in with that pink polish. I know you guys see my other hand is different. It's because those nails were for something else and I took them off. But here I'm just applying the pink color out of the duo directly onto the nails. And I'm doing a generous layer of this. We will do 2 coats, but here I'm just showing you the first coat. Again, a generous layer of this polish here, curing it for 60 seconds, and then I will apply a second layer off camera. Now we're curing the polish for 60 seconds. And here you guys will see now I'm going in with the white polish out of the duo. And I'm just using a little dish that I have to the side with my little sponge applicator. The reason I like to use the sponge applicator is because this is the most ideal way to apply chromes as well as when you're ombreing a nail color. And what I like to do is concentrate most of the color at the very tip of the nail, and then I just lightly feather it up and out towards that smile, my natural smile line at that, and I like to go a little bit above that area, because you don't want a stark line where you can see where your natural nail ends and where the ombre is kind of flowing into that really nice pink base. I will apply one layer of the white, and then what we'll do is cure it for about 30 seconds, and then we'll go in with another layer, maybe 2 more layers, just to get to the full effect that you may want. Me, I wanted to maintain something a bit softer, so I did just do 2 coats of it. But if you want your white to be more vibrant and to stand out a bit more, or any other color that you use for your ombre, then I do recommend maybe doing 3 layers. I noticed that when applying the second layer, it's giving me the effect that I was looking for, and I absolutely love that. And we want to keep it soft. Again, even the appearance of the design will change once you apply the top coat. It'll help to really smooth out any areas that need a little bit more TLC. Again, this is applying it with a sponge, so it's not the same as going in directly with the color. After I cure that for 60 seconds, I'm using my Model 1's top coat, and we're going to go ahead and apply that to all the nails. And of course, after applying the top coat, you want to make sure that you clean up any areas that you see you may have an overspill of top coat. I'm just cleaning it with a glove, and then I will go in with acetone. Okay, you guys, and after curing the nails for 60 seconds, I did go ahead, apply some cuticle oil, and this is going to be the final look. As you can see, we have that really nice ombre baby boomer nail. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao!